Great land is rare. It's precious. Almost unattainable. It's this desire to live and play by the coast, to remain connected to nature. We're searching for a sensory experience. We want to smell the air, feel the chill of the water. And so you become one with that place before you, and that's really enriching. We feel an incredible responsibility when we discover great land, and it drives you as a designer to reach out into the unknown and create a design that belongs. A peaceful place that nurtures you and inspires you and is healthy to live in. It's a place to gather with friends and family. It gives us a living experience which is exceptional, and that's a privilege.